welcome to Hannah Playtime. So here's my dinosaur bone. Here that my dad bought me. So here's some bones with some things, and here are some painting brush and some painting, more paints. And here's some of these things, and not for fixing or anything, but these things are like for, you see these holes? We put these holes into here. And here's a tiny glue. Actually, it's not like sticky, but it's like liquid, but you only need a bit. So that's why it's small. So let me show you. So it's going to look like this. It's a T-Rex. So this was going to look like, see, and this is the rock. And there are holes so we could put these on it and some dinosaur bones on it. But these are not real bones. It's just like plastic because dinosaur's not this small, but this one's too big. Well, we're going to build it, but it's just for like hanging so it looks pretty. We couldn't play with it. So we made it so sometimes it's like a museum bone, but just smaller. This is what it's going to look like. Now I get started. Here.
Okay, so that will help you do this.
Yes.
So first we have to open this thing up.
Open?
Yeah, there's a lot of pieces.
Why is it in
Oh,
the,
they have
why is it in back?
yeah, they're in the back, so you don't mix them up. So they in the back they have different number.
And they even have different kind of number and different kind.
This looks like a rib.
Like some.
This is like some kind of bone. Here, so they put in the back so that you don't mix them up.
Here, but is it the head? Is it the head?
Yeah, this is a head and then this is a leg.
What's our dog not doing? Why is that so small?
No, it's small because this is small.
Because we.
Okay, so we need to look at this and see where to. Okay, so like this.
Wow.
And we need to put the metal stick.
Daddy, this
No, don't open. Don't open.
Hard.
No, it's supposed to be like a static.
So what should I help with?
Okay, so first of all, look at the picture. Okay, look at the picture first.
Back on piece, not back. What piece you need? And just
I don't know. I don't know what piece I need yet. Okay, maybe this
should
piece.
we start from the
This piece
head?
on the back here. Okay. Screw in.
What do you mean screw? Turn it upside down.
No, we have to. Oh, this thing has to do by hand. Oh, so there's no thread in here, so you have to do it manually.
Oh.
It's
So
gonna be tough. Okay, so let me try to make a hole first, okay? And then after that we can. Oh no.
Daddy, you already have a hole.
No, it have a hole, but it have no thread, so you cannot
What's a
really
thread?
screw it in.
What's a thread?
Meaning there's no right here.
Ba cảo ra cho hole này nè ba.
No.
You make it broken? Is it supposed to be like that?
You have to actually let's see.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Maybe like this. Let's try to do this first, okay?
I was right.
No, I don't know. I don't know yet, Hannah. Is it this way or they and then they have we don't know, so maybe on the back it's this big, okay?
I think
And
it's
then
backwards. Should we turn it around?
and then this.
I think it's backwards. It's supposed to be like this.
No, this thing longer. So not sure. Rock. Yeah, I don't know which way it's running.
Should we start from
We'll say
the
this is this is the head. See the arrow here, the head. So yeah, put this way. Okay.
Okay.
So put them like this first. We don't know yet. Okay. And let's start with the leg. Let's start with the leg.
I will find it. I will get the head.
Okay, let's get the legs out. Oh, this is the two legs, Hannah.
2 legs.
No, not get the head yet, Hannah. Let's do from the bottom up.
Hey, why is that even hard? It looks so good.
Yeah, that's good because you don't break them easily. So we need a foot. Where the foot? You get 2 legs, and we need where the foot, Hannah.
You want me to put
Oh,
it back
there's the foot. Yeah, put in the back. So there's
Do you
2
want
foot.
me to put it back in the bag?
Yeah, that's 2 foot. So we need to build the leg first. Okay, let's see. So there is.
It's a flying bird.
Okay, so Hannah, you put like this.
How do you snap it?
Yeah, you snap it in like this.
Where piece to go?
And then,
Can I try to?
yeah, no, on this side.
Which
Okay.
way? Oh, yeah.
Okay, they have do they have a screw on the bottom?
No screw.
Yeah, right. They're supposed to be.
We have to push harder.
No, they're here. There is the screw. Right. Oh, yeah. Okay, so.
Where's the ladder?
So I think I'm right, Hannah. So you have to go the other way around. So this thing go right here, not like this, right? But anyway, leave it right here. We'll figure that out.
But I was right.
Hmm?
Yeah, I was right about this.
I don't know. We're gonna be
I think I
like
was right.
it like this. Okay. Oh, even the finger is falling off too. You can glue them together like this. No, we don't glue them yet. We're gonna do a little bit later. So,
see, I was right. This was right.
no, not sure. So this is there's no thread here either.
Let me look. Let me look out here first for a bit.
Okay, Hannah.
I think I was right.
Okay, let's screw in the. Okay, we're not screw anything yet. Just leave it right here, because if we accidentally we glue it in, it's gonna stop. Okay, so
In case it's wrong.
yeah, in case it's wrong, we can take it out again. Okay, see? You see the bone?
Until we've done finish everything, then we glue it.
Yeah, we glue. But the thing is,
Yeah,
if we know the
because-
piece for sure, then we can glue it. But like this, I
Um,
think it's gonna be like this. Okay, like that.
Let me look. Why are you doing that?
I think it should be like, I don't know. I think there's no thread here. So,
What's a thread? What's a thread again? What's a thread again?
thread means something that you can screw in like this. Okay?
They have to have a hole right here. So
Yeah, maybe I have to
they
screw
have
it
to
in.
have a hole so we could screw because I'm
Yeah.
pushing it kind of hard.
Yeah, so see if we can screw it in or not.
They're kind of tough. I do really need it.
Yeah, so the material is like a soft plastic, so that's why it make it easier to not screw up.
When I tap it to it, this is like bumpy.
Yeah, okay, here we go. You know what, Hannah? I think we should glue in the bone here first. Hannah.
But you said to do it all again. We all should be.
No, I think I'm talking about the finger.
Aren't you
I don't know what's the right way to screw in here.
And I also want to find a way how to snap this thing.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna be it's not gonna be simple, but we'll try.
It will not be easy.
Yeah, not easy for sure.
Not for sure.
Okay, so this thing keep falling off, so I think we have to glue it in.
Yes, but are you sure that the piece is supposed to go there?
Yes. Okay, so the legs. They had a number here.
What number is it? And my school is.
Okay,
A.
so next we need to do a. No, don't do the head yet, Hannah.
I'm doing it.
If you do the head, then you put the net on the side. Get the jaw. What is this thing?
A yard.
No, this is what is this inside?
It's kind of hard to see through all these pieces. Or sometimes behind.
everything together. Okay, so now connect now. Okay, so now, ooh, big. It's huge. Now we can glue the leg too. We glue the leg. Oh, look at this, Hannah. Look at this, see? Uh-oh.
Wow.
This thing is like very wobbling. Because the neck is falling off. Okay, we have to keep the neck like this for it dry before we can glue the rest. Glue this thing over there. Dry this.
Daddy, the tooth has something to stick to my hand.
Yeah, that's one thing. Don't touch it.
Why the tooth have glue, Daddy?
Because you touched. Remember, you touched it earlier.
It wasn't that one. I touched the glue, it just stuck to my hand.
Yeah, you don't. That's when you touch it. I said don't touch it. Now it's up your hand.
I think it's because I touched the lip.
Yeah.
I think I should wash my hand right away.
No, we won't go out. It's stuck
Is it
there.
ready to dry?
Yeah, it will dry.
What? I should put my hand out. How can it dry so fast?
Yeah, it will dry fast.
But do this glue dry fast too?
Yep. Both of them dry really fast.
So there's a both. But is that one liquid?
They both liquid.
So you buy the same one?
No, they look different, but they both. Okay, now we need to put this leg in. Maybe we should glue this thing down here too.
Ouch! It's under the finger, Daddy.
Yeah.
There. Get this hang down. No.
Okay, wait for it to dry first before we touch the head. Okay. Done.
Oh, I only got a tiny wing. That's too nice.
Okay, Hannah, don't touch it. Let me get it dry. Okay, so put the head in. You want to go? You want a head like this, or you want a head go down like this? Like that? You want like that? Hannah? You want like that?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to glue it, but I think we have to hold it.
Yeah, and look at my hand.
Don't put it. That's why you don't touch it.
If we squeeze a lot on our hand and cover the whole thing, what happens?
It will be stuck your hand forever.
If we glue them on this side, we clap it, then our hand never come off.
Okay, don't touch this. Wait for it to dry.
It's already dry, Daddy.
Hmm?
It's dry already.
No, this not dry yet. The down here not dry.
Then why our hands are dry?
Because your hand is dry quickly.
What?
When it's stuck in your hand, it dries really quick. Okay.
Now, hi, my name's Hannah again, and here is my paw dinosaur bone. It's so long, huh? Wow, if it's straight, it's this long. Cool, huh? Yeah, and thank you for watching the part 1. The part 2 is for we're going to paint it. There are more things to do, but we have to paint it. See, these come with this dinosaur, and this is what the paint for. So we could paint it, but we don't need to use all the colors though. But here are the paintbrushes and things.
Okay, so all the paint and your bone.
And bye. Thank you for watching Hannah Playtime. And if you want to, you know how to write the word playtime. PLAYTIME. I guess, I think. Playtime. And then you write my name, Hannah. Then HANNAH.
Okay.
6 letters. Bye.
Okay, so now let's do some close shot of the bone. So the dinosaur bone, like it's a soft plastic, and now we're waiting for the glue to dry and everything. Okay.